Welcome to the Daily Dose. I'm Respect. Recapping African markets yesterday. Overall, African markets closed firmer. ZSE was an exception as it came down 0.84% to close at 98.94 points. The Nigeria All-Share Index went up 2.2%, while the Nairobi's All-Share Index went up 1.36%. The Dar es Salaam All-Share Index was also up 1.43%, while Namibia was down 1.74%. In today's callover, the ZSE's benchmark index eased 0.02% to close at 98.92 points, extending its losses to 2 sessions in a row. The mining index was stable at 19.14 points, as all stocks within the segment closed unchanged. Dragging the industrial index was Barclays, which came off minus 3.03% to close at 3.2 cents, taking its cumulative losses to minus 6% post-announcement that the parent company is exiting the African capital markets. Barclays Zimbabwe is valued at 69 million according to its market capitalization on the ZSE. In the full year to December 2015, the bank's net profit dropped by a whopping 41% to $3.9 million. Other fallers on the ZSE today included Hippo and BAT, which came off minus 2.72% and minus 0.42% to 33.95 cents and 1,100 cents respectively. Countering the losses were gains in Star Africa, Insco and Econet, which rose 16.25%, 0.04% and 0.18% to 0.93 cents, 18.08 cents and 22.6 cents in that order. Value traded went up 568% to $758,127, driven by trades in Insco, which contributed 43%, and Hippo at 26%. The Jewels aggregate value traded was $519,925. Other top contributors included OK, PPC and Old Mutual. Volumes sharply soared on the back of blocks in OK and Insco worth 4,759,764 shares and 1,787,859 shares respectively. Hippo and Star Africa followed on contributions of 579,322 shares and 223,314 shares in that order. In terms of our comment, the Barclays announcement is likely to have a dent in financial stocks trading and valuations. The bank is critical to stability of the financial sector in Zimbabwe as more and more local banks continue to fall by the wayside. However, as a standalone company, Barclays will prove to be resilient if its safe banking model is maintained. The appetite of the new shareholder to drive interest income will be a determining factor of its long-run stability. That was our daily dose. With me, Respect, your analyst with Equity Access.